Couple of notes here. I've been the whole day taking notes from your sharing this morning, and one of the things that I put on a big here is that live with a sense of urgency.
Yes.
Because my life, my dream has purpose, and then we can expand it. My companies, the people that we hang out with has purpose. And one of the questions I want to ask is that here in our company, our vision is to be the best place to work, buy, and sell real estate in California.
Yes.
And how do you keep that passion, that desire, that drive for the last 50 years?
You know what? Because, and I encourage all of you to do this, put yourself in a community of people. Like, you give me what I give you. You're fueling me now, your positive energy. That when we surround ourselves with people that are positive, people who have purpose and meaning, people who are living a productive life, that those individuals, they empower us. But most people don't have a sense of purpose. Most people are not living a productive life. They're just trying to exist. The playwright Oscar Wilde said that most people rarely live, but they just exist. And so I encourage those of you that are watching this to surround yourself with people who are on the way, because in life you either on the way or in the way.
Yeah.
You know, that you want to be surrounded with people who want more in life, people that are fired up and hungry.
And we talked about it before. You said that not only you surround yourself with the people that encourage you, you mentioned disassociate yourself with the negative people.
you have to. I screen a phone call. I ask, is it positive? Is it purposeful? Is it productive? Does this make sense to give my time to this now? And is it profitable? Is there something that we can partner together on and do something meaningful together? And most people don't do that. The reason that most people don't live their dreams and they're living their fears is because of the fact that they allow the interruptions of life, Twitter, negative people, circumstances, the news, a lot of television.
Right.
You got to decide that you're going to focus your mind on something that you love to do. See, because at the end of the day, you're in real estate. You love it, and you're looking for ways to get better. We were not born to work for a living, but to live our making. And living your making will make you living. I was born to speak, but I used to work on the Miami sanitation department garbage truck, where I made probably around $30,000 a year. Now, because I'm living my making, I earn $70,000 an hour.
So how do you find that purpose? You know, how do you when you're doing your previous, how do you
You never ask how you find it. What's most important is follow your heart. Because the book of life says, where your heart is, there your treasure is also. Make the commitment. I'm going to find out, what am I supposed to do? I'm going to find out what's the purpose of my being here. They said the most important days in our life, the day that we're born and the day that we realize why we're born. And so finding out why you're here, it's a discovery process. I used to be a photographer. I worked for the Miami Sanitation Department. I was an orderly at Jackson Memorial Hospital. I sold papers, I shined shoes, I was a disc jockey, I was a state legislator in Columbus. So we evolved. And when you set goals beyond your comfort zone, in order to do something you've never done, you've got to become someone you've never been. And so the goal is continuously raise the bar on ourselves.
That's when I first came to US.
Yes.
In 1995, I used to, basically sell stuff in swap meet, and today our company basically Inc. 5,000 fastest growing private companies in America. But now I came into a different challenge. How do you inspire? How do you motivate the people in your team to be aligned? Like you said, find your heart desires. One of our core purpose at Titanium Real Estate Network, our company, is to help people achieve their heart desires. But as you know, there are people, everybody have different agenda and stuff.
Well, first of all, a person convinced against their will is of the same opinion still. The goal is to choose people selectively. The Book of Life says that the road to life is straight and narrow. Few there be that find it right. Because few there be that are motivated. Few there be that will take the initiative. Few there be that operate with a sense of integrity and purpose. Few there be that are willing to sacrifice and discipline themselves to stay on the path. And so you have to select well, because you want to work with the willing. Whosoever will, let him come. Work with the willing. Don't try and convince people. You want to find people who think like you think. I remember seeing a billboard that say, "We don't train our people to be nice."
Nice people.
Yes.
You don't train people to live of integrity. You choose people, work with the people with integrity.
Yes.
With the heart of second mile
And
service.
integrity is what people do when nobody else is doing.
Powerful.
Yes.
And last question here, Mr. Brown, is that you mentioned about I'm given. Your last statement here, I'm writing it down as fast as you speak on the stage, but here, I'm given a dream, chosen for a purpose.
Yeah.
Can you say it one more time for our friends here on Facebook?
You were created on purpose, for a purpose, with a purpose. And your job is to start finding out what that is. God asked Adam, "Adam, where are you?" Not because he didn't know, because as we know, God is omniscient, all-knowing, all-knowledge, omnipresent, evenly present everywhere at the same time. There is no spot where God is not. God asked Adam the question, "Where are you? You made in my likeness and image. You've been given authority and dominion over everything on the face of the earth." What he wanted to do was for Adam to think. Life is a question, and how you live your life is the answer.
That's it, guys, with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Les Brown here. If you have any more questions, comment below. We'll be here together with Mr. Brown till the end of today. Thank you so much for your time.